With the arrival of winter and its challenges, every minute counts to ensure efficient snow removal. The OH4000 snowplow from Côté offers an intuitive and quick hitching system designed to maximize your productivity. Whether you're working alone or as a team, here's how to hitch and unhitch the snowplow in just a few minutes. To start the hitching process, drive the truck up to the harness. Secondly, activate the power takeoff inside the truck. Connect the hydraulic hoses to the truck ports and raise the nose of the hitch as high as possible. Next, lock the hitch using the joystick inside the truck if you have the hydraulic model. Otherwise, do it manually if this option is not available. Lower the nose of the hitch and then install the lifting chains. Lift the snowplow, then raise the stands and secure everything with the provided pins. And there you have it. You now know how to hitch the OH4000 snowplow. Unhitching is just as simple. Start by lowering the snowplow to the ground using the joystick inside the truck and remove the lifting chains. Lower the support legs, leaving 3 holes free. Then, raise the nose of the hitch as high as possible using the joystick inside the truck. Unlock the hitch if you have the hydraulic model, or remove the pins if your model doesn't have this option. Lower the nose of the hitch to the ground. Deactivate the power takeoff and release the system pressure by moving the joystick. Finally, remove the hydraulic hoses and back the truck away. There you go. You should now be able to unhitch the OH4000 snowplow. To discover our full range of products or to order replacement parts, contact our dedicated team at Côté.